Certain individuals reject you since they would rather not play with your sentiments. Such individuals are honest. It ought not be misinterpreted in. This is his trustworthiness. In any case, individuals think about it as presumption. Saying sorry doesn't imply that it is your shortcoming and the other individual is correct. It implies you care about the relationship more than your self-image. Unexpectedly opening the eyes while dozing shows that you have made an arrangement and you need to finish it straight away. On the off chance that you attempt to further develop an individual to an extreme, he will end up being your foe. After you nod off, your spirit leaves your body and meanders in the universe. If you have any desire to catch everyone's eye, then you ought to sport dark or red-hued garments. These varieties are images of fascination. In the event that you are feeling sluggish and drowsy at work, purposely hit yourself with a sharp slap, your rest will disappear. However much you would anticipate from a human, the more awful the individual becomes for you over the long run.